When it comes to being prepared, knowledge and the right gear can make all the difference. Life is unpredictable. Natural disasters, power outages, and disruptions to the supply chain can strike when you least expect them. But with the right mindset and tools, you can protect yourself and your loved ones, no matter what comes your way. At DeVault Prepping, we believe in more than just survival. We believe in thriving, even in tough times.
Preparation starts with a plan. Think about your unique needs, your family, your pets, your environment. What would you do if the power went out for a week? If the grocery stores closed for a month? By answering these questions, you begin to build a foundation of resilience. A well-stocked bug-out bag, reliable solar chargers, and a supply of clean water are just the beginning. But true preparedness goes beyond gear. It's about skills, knowing how to purify water, grow your own food, and keep your home secure. At DeVault Prepping, we test and review the best gear on the market, so you don't have to guess what works. From durable gardening tools to long-lasting emergency food, we're committed to quality and practicality. We also offer step-by-step guides and tips, empowering you to make informed decisions for your family's safety. Preparedness is a journey, not a destination. It's about building confidence and peace of mind, one step at a time. So take action today. Visit DeVaultPrepping.com for resources, gear reviews, and a supportive community of like-minded individuals. Follow us on Facebook to stay updated and connected. Remember, stay prepared, stay strong, and keep watching the horizon. Your future is worth defending.